Okay, I'm gonna give you a little tour of what I've got so far. It's not perfect because we're still in the middle of kind of doing some stuff, but this is my back porch and we got some landscaping done. Put some pavers down all the way to the hot tub there. You'll see inset in the pavers are these solar lights. Those are on Amazon. I got them. They come in a pack of 2. You're talking, they're about maybe 35 bucks a piece. And what they do is they gather in the sun. They're tempered glass on the top there, and then they light up. So at night, this path is kind of lit up. There's my hot tub just in general, and we're gonna paint it the same color as the tree house eventually. But we got the kind of Trex product, the composite decking on here. I used some nautical rope as railings all the way around it. You have to check your state code or whatever to see what it is, but yeah, this is just generally it. This is the hot tub. Sorry for the cover's a little dirty right now, but I installed kind of a pergola around it. I don't know if you can really call that a pergola or not. It's just pressure treated lumber. You can kind of see how I attached it. Pretty simple all in all what it is, but on the inside I've got weather kind of outdoor shower curtains, not shower curtains, I'm sorry, outdoor curtains. And then I've attached them with these are on Amazon too. It's just a little rope ball that goes through a loop. So if you wanted to, you can close the curtains. I'm sorry for the shaky camera. That's kind of what it looks like. You can do that all the way around on all sides. So yeah, my the view from kind of looking out of the hot tub is pretty nice. Well, it's just great. We're in it every single day, so haven't regretted it for a second. There's been some ups and downs with getting stuff running, but I absolutely love it. We've had 10 people in this hot tub at once. Definitely not even pushing the limits of it. We could probably get at least 4 more comfortably without feeling like people are invading your space. So yeah, there you go. That's just kind of an overview of my hot tub. I'll maybe open it up here in a little while and show you what it looks like when it's running. And here we have it. This is the final product here. This is, you can take a look at the inside there. It's daytime right now, so I can't show you the lights. They look pretty great with the LED lights, which are right there. And then there's one on the other side, same thing. That right there, that little orange thing I've got, that's I think it's called a sorbet. It just kind of absorbs some of the oils, and then that kind of float around. And then that there, that's just a little booster seat, I guess you could call it. But yeah, there you have it. And then the control panel is over here. And I'll just kind of try to show you what we got. So that's with the jets running, which is usually how we have it going when we're sitting in here. You can turn on the blower, and it obviously injects it with air quite a bit. But yeah, like I said, we've had 10 people sitting in here, and there's plenty of room for everybody. So yeah, turn the blower off, turn the jets. You can have the jets down to just one level, so they're just barely going to circulate, but works really great. We love it. Like I said, every day we're in here. So we there's not a whole lot I would change all in all, even though I've run through messing some things up. This is our own little piece of paradise that we've got, and we did it ourselves, or I did it myself. So hope you enjoyed my long series. Feel free to ask me any questions. I'll try to talk you through it. Have a good one.